In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Nord account password. First, open your web browser and head to the official Nord account login page. It's important to make sure you're on the legitimate site, so check the address bar and look for a secure connection before you continue. On the login screen, you'll see a link that says, "Forgot your password?" Go ahead and click that. This is the safest and fastest way to reset your password if you can't remember it or simply want to change it. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your account. Type it carefully to avoid typos, then click Send. If you have multiple email addresses, use the one you originally signed up with. This step triggers a secure reset email to your inbox and keeps the process tied to your account. Now, switch over to your email. Look for a message from Nord account with instructions to reset your password. If it doesn't show up after a couple of minutes, check your spam or junk folder, and also your promotions or updates tabs if your email sorts messages automatically. If you still don't see it, return to the reset page and request another email, making sure the address you entered is correct. Open the reset email and click the reset password button. For your security, do this on a trusted device and network. If the button doesn't work, you can copy the link in the email and paste it into your browser. Make sure the link takes you to the official site before proceeding. You'll land on a page where you can set a new password. Create a strong, unique password that's at least 8 characters long, using a mix of letters and symbols. Consider using both uppercase and lowercase letters, and avoid personal details like birthdays or simple sequences. It's best not to reuse a password from another site. A password manager can help you generate and store a secure option if you prefer. Enter your new password, confirm it, and then save the changes. Once you do, your old password will no longer work. That's it. You requested the reset, checked your inbox, followed the secure link, and set a new, strong password. Keep your new password somewhere safe, and be cautious of any unexpected password reset emails in the future. Only act on reset messages you requested yourself, and always verify you're on the official website before entering any account details.